In this video, let me show you how we can search iPhone text messages. So what we're going to do, of course, is that we're going to head over to our messages app, which I have in here, and you can see my chats, my conversations with all of the random people in here. But the point is that at the bottom, we have the search field, which applies to every single chat, right? So you can click on it and you cannot really search through individual things, but you can type in a keyword and see if any person has sent you the message with that word or if you send it, right? So that's really nice to search through all of the messages. So you can actually click on it. You can see the message with Lucas, and it was actually on it that date. The word has been written there. But you can expand it a little bit more, right? Because you can obviously type in like different letters and keywords as well. So that's, of course, usual. But what you're going to do with it in here is that you can also expand it. So you can type in at first the name of the person which you are texting, then the keyframe, or the keyword, right? And then you'll be able to filter it by that particular combination, right? So the point is that you can type into the search not only the particular phrase, but also the recipient, the person you are texting with, as well as some other info, right? As well as technically even the month and the date. So you can filter specifically by that thing. So as you can see now, I'm searching for the word hello in conversations with Foxtecc on August 12th, right? And as you can see, that's exactly the result which I got. So a lot of people don't realize it, but that's how you're going to do this, right? So you can even replace the name of the person. So let me type in Lucas instead. And as you can see, the same result, Lucas conversation with them now contains the word hello on August 12th. And that's like the very useful part. Let me know if you also managed to find it on your device as well. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.